Hey, if you don't know where to start when it comes to estate planning, you have gone to the right place. I'm Jeff Marsocci, the Plain English Attorney, and we are talking about the launch of a new ebook that talks about the very basics of estate planning without getting too in depth into the materials. We've got a lot of good materials that you may want to look at down the road, but at least for now, let's get started with something simple. So, if you've just been thinking about estate planning, it's not a pressing need, you're not ready to dive into a full blown course or sit down with a lawyer or go through a full book, all right, this is the great place to start. We have a new free way to get the basics without getting overwhelmed. The fact is that most people really just don't know where to start. There's a lot of legal jargon, there's long videos out there. I've done some of them. And there are complicated documents that make it really kind of feel like homework, and it may very well be, but that's not the place to start. They're looking for a quick, reliable overview before committing to going any deeper. So, this is why we created a free ebook. It's a simple, downloadable guide you can read in just a few minutes. It answers the most common questions people have when they're first thinking about estate planning. What happens if you don't have a plan? What's the difference between a will and a trust? Is this something that only wealthy people do? It's not a sales pitch, it's just a kind of plain English information that you can use. So, who is this book for? If you're just starting to think about it. If you're not ready to go through hours of long videos, or you at least want to see where you want to start, maybe someone in your family went through a nightmare probate process and now it's just, you know what, I'm starting to think about this. How does this fit in with a lot of my other resources that are out there? Because look, this is just a beginning guide. And the website for it is estateplanningebook.com. Doesn't get any simpler than that. But we also have things that's a little more in depth at freetrustcourse.com. Again, freetrustcourse.com. We also have a paid course at Estate Crash Course, but if that's something that you're interested in, that's a little bit more at the end. This is the simple thing to get started. So if you want that 30,000 foot view, this is a good place to start. Now, for my clients that are out there or people who have already gone through the channel, maybe you've been fans for a while, great. This is the easy way to get the people that you care about in your life started by just sending them this, estateplanningebook.com. So, whether you're new to estate planning, you just want to help someone else get started, then go ahead and send them that link and it'll help get them underway. So, it's simple, clear, no legal jargon, just the basics as it should be. Now, let me talk a bit more because this is a little bit more of an extensive video than just the kind of overview of this. The reason I'm going through it this way is because I am heading out to the Advanced Institute. So by the time you're seeing this video, I'm already back. But I'm interested to learn, what are you interested in hearing more about? Because we're going to get a lot of great background. We're hopefully going to have videos, at least one from me, either on special needs planning or family limited partnerships. Even though we have some videos out there, it's never hurts to get more information. There's always something new to learn. If there's anything that you want to know specifically about that goes beyond the basics of an ebook or just general estate planning like we have in the freetrustcourse.com, please go ahead and comment and then share this video with someone who needs it. So as I always tell my clients, please stay safe, plan ahead, and enjoy life. And whatever you do, make it a great day.